back with another video. Obviously, I'm just coming, you know what time it is. And today, what we're gonna do is do a little bike check on my video. So let's get to it. We're gonna start at the front of the bike. Yeah, we're gonna go with the tires. Yeah, I've got flick stick tires, as you can see. Flick stick tires on the front and the back. Flick stick MTB 29-inch. We've got Dior, Shimano Dior gears. We got SLX brake over here. We got Def grip, I believe. Def grip, yeah. We got Hope top hat. I need to get the bolts soon. What else? I've got Renthal fat bars, the light ones. These are very light, very nice, and very big as well. They're good. Obviously, I've got the C100 PRO. Yeah, you can see underneath keeper 100. The same with everyone's, but just different colour. And then moving down to the bike, we got obviously signature one-way Corey pedals right there. We got Z crank that comes standard. We got, and then everything at the back of the bike is standard, stuff like that. Everything's standard. If anyone knows anyone that has 29-inch rear back wheel, like a Hope Halo, or like something that's loud, yeah, then just contact me on Instagram. You know what my Instagram is, Masai.Shipley. It'll be on the screen like there, on the screen right now, so we're going for like that. It just hit 1.8k, so we're going for that right now. Oh yeah, I got the camera seat. I had the little Harry one, but I wasn't kind of feeling it, so I had to get the camera seat. It is a bit slippery, but it's good to mash and work in that. Now I actually like this bike, so what we're gonna do now is mash and work on this strip right here. As you can see on the strip right here, we mash and work on this strip, and yeah, let's get into it.